In this video, we're going to look at how you can take a written script and turn it into panels in Storyboard Pro. There's no hard rules for how to do this, and you can really do these steps in any order that works with your process. But the important thing is to note the features I'm going to show you and think about how you can use them. So I have this short script I've written to use as an example. The simplest way to get it into Storyboard Pro is to first select all the text and copy it. And then in Storyboard Pro, I'm going to go to the Storyboard tab here and paste the script into this script field. Now we know we'll always have it handy as part of the project itself. Next, I'm actually going to switch to the vertical workspace, and you'll see why that is in a minute. So first of all, in Storyboard Pro, the text fields that would go underneath your drawings on your boards are called captions. Ultimately, what we want is to take all the descriptions and dialogue from our script and spread it out over the caption fields of all the panels in our board. By default, we have these 4 caption fields, but we can customize them however we want. For example, this one for slugging is meant for putting timing notes for animation. Or sometimes a slug or a slug line means the master scene heading from a script. So you could also put those here too. I'm not going to use this field for this board, so let's get rid of it to free up some room. We'll switch back to the Panel tab, and you'll see every caption field has this little drop down. You could just rename the field if we wanted to use it for something else besides slugging, but let's just delete it to save room. Now it's going to warn us that deleting this field will delete it from all panels. Since we haven't filled anything out yet, that's fine. Now for the first panel here, I'm going to select the first part of the script, and I don't even have to copy and paste. I can just drag it over to the caption that I want to put it in. And what's also cool is that I'm able to take my drawing tool and actually draw on these panels too. So you could also do your thumbnailing right here if you want. I actually still prefer to do the thumbnailing part on paper, but what I will do here is go through and set up all the scenes and shots and fill in the captions with the appropriate text from the script. You'll notice that along the edge in vertical view, you can see how shots and scenes are grouped based on these gray and blue lines, just like on the thumbnail timeline we were looking at in the other video. And there we go. The script is generally broken up. You can also do this in the horizontal workspace if you want to see more panels at once. The exact shots and panels will no doubt end up being a little different. Some will get split up and some will get combined, but this is a great baseline and it wasn't too hard. It's easier to fill in these fields all at once rather than constantly going back and forth between drawing and filling out text fields. Now, depending on the format your script is in, there may be an even easier way to do this. In the next video, we'll look at how to automatically generate a storyboard project from a script written in the Final Draft screenwriting software. I'll see you there.